You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, the name of this type or shape of pasta. Let's break it down, the Italian pronunciation first, then we're going to learn more names from Italian cuisine after, so stay tuned. Italian pronunciation, radiatore, radiatore, radiatore. In English, therefore, you can simply pronounce it as, I think it means radiator, essentially because of the shape of the pastas. Radiatore, radiatore, not radiatori, radiatore from Italian, radiatore. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.